What is your name, sir?
My name is Mike Rothline.
And how did you hear about the garage?
We were researching mechanics near our house. We came across the garage a couple of years ago and come back ever since.
All right. So your experience has been good?
Fantastic. The communication, the details, the follow through and the follow up allows us to know exactly what's happening with our vehicle at all times.
Very good. And would you recommend this?
Absolutely. I'd recommend to anybody, friends, family, anyone that needs their car worked on. The garage is a fantastic place to come to.